Hey, what's up, y'all? Zach here. Thought of the day for October 10th. God would draw us all closer to Him in the bonds of spirit. He would have all people drawn closer to each other in the bonds of the Spirit. God, the great Spirit of the universe, of which each of our own spirits is a small part, must want unity between Himself and all His children. Unity of the Spirit in the bonds of peace. Each experience of our life, of joy, of sorrow, of danger, of safety, of difficulty, of success, of hardship, of ease, each should be accepted as part of our common lot in the bonds of the Spirit. I pray that I may be brought closer to unity with God and other people. And that's so true. And you guys always hear me say, like, the last, 5, 6 months, whatnot, 7 months, really came a lot closer in a much, much, much tighter bond with my higher power and God, and accepting Him into my life, allowing Him into my life, and really following His guidance and accepting His plan, even though we all have our plan, our ideas. It's ultimately His plan that's in play. And I've found that through it all, I've got my patience. I've got way better. I think a lot more before I do things. What's getting rid of the negative habits that I had early this year. Keeping my sobriety going 100%. Things like that. But it's the bond that really creates that peace of mind and that peace in yourself, while still, there's still, things that, are gut-wrenching, heart-wrenching, that hurt. It's still, though, that, the bond with Him that allows me to, move forward in a sense, but not really move forward, more, work on those things and, hope that those things work out. And look at what I did yesterday to make today better, or look what I did 6 months ago to not do it to make today better, or 10 plus months ago with my drinking, not doing it, to create that tighter bond, that better bond with family, or, with relationships, with business, especially with God, my higher power, and create that bond that definitely the drinking and my negative habits destroyed and ruined and hurt people. And I can't change the past, but I can make sure the future going forward isn't what the past was. And it's why it's not as quick as I want, or the exact path that I want or wanted. It's His plan and His timing, and it'll get there one day at a time. So it's just for today, the old saying from AA, just for today, and I'm going to push forward for every single day going forward. So hope you all have a good day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.